Imagine this, a speaker blasting bass so loud it's vibrating the air around it, but then splash, we drop it into water. You'd think it'd just fizzle out, right? Wrong. This isn't just about splashes, it's about how sound waves behave when they hit water, and why this experiment is actually a wild physics test in slow motion. When this JBL speaker hits the water, you'd expect silence, but what actually happens is a clash of forces. The bass waves collide with liquid resistance, creating ripples that ripple outward in perfect slow motion. It's not just a splash, it's a clash of forces, revealing how sound behaves differently underwater. This experiment isn't just about
when this JBL speaker hits the water, you'd expect silence, but what actually happens is a clash of forces. The bass waves collide with liquid resistance, creating ripples that ripple outward in perfect slow motion physics. This isn't just splash, it's sound meeting its match. Bass this intense shouldn't exist underwater, yet here it is. This isn't just a splash, it's a controlled explosion of energy, where sound waves defy expectations and water becomes the stage for physics in motion. Imagine a speaker so powerful it can outrun the fastest human on Earth, but underwater? That's exactly what this JBL speaker is doing. Defying physics with every bass drop. The water isn't just reacting, it's being commanded by Soundwave technology.